guys, welcome back to Mrozinski Family Homestead. So we are actually...
Hey y'all.
We're actually just sawing some logs. We got 10-foot logs over here, a little over 10 foot, but we're gonna saw them down, and so that way we can get this shed finished so we can get some more of our tools over here. But honestly, it looks pretty good. Steven is right now, he's shoveling the sawdust up. We're gonna take that and put that in our garden. We spent all day yesterday moving these logs. These logs are heavy. They are really heavy. So
I don't know what I was doing.
So Steven was helping me, and Steven was basically moving the logs. I wasn't moving the logs, but he was.
I was picking them things up.
So, but anyways, y'all be sure to go check out our wish list, because there's a lot of things on there that we need and that we can't afford right now. I know that the chainsaw oil is almost out, isn't it?
Yeah, the chainsaw oil is almost out.
Yep. So, y'all go check out our wish list and let's get to work. Oh, we already been working. Let's work some more.
Of that.
I know. So I'm throwing it. Use it later, not right now.
Yeah. It's pretty stout. Turn it over. And you know, we put them out here to have somewhat dry a little bit before we actually burn them. So we let them sit for about a week, and we'll be putting these up on the shed this weekend coming up. Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Spin the whole thing. Just let it spin it, and I'll just have to go over there and pick that end up. As long as it stays on there.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Woo! Pretty.
That is a beautiful piece of wood, I want to say that.
I got a pretty good eyeball.
I can tell you one thing, we went from literally hating pine trees when we were cutting it up for firewood, but now looking at it, look, I love it. I really do. What?
Just so that y'all know, I did put the rip chain on this. And it's working a heck of a lot better than...
It is.
damn nail in there.
Why would there be a nail in a tree?
I don't know. Well, I mean, it was the edge of the road, so you never know. It could have been a fence. All right. Yeah.
Not that high up. That's the root. We interrupted your regular scheduled program to fix a chainsaw.
Y'all, just so you know that if y'all have any questions on how to do a chainsaw situation like this, we can make a video. Just leave a comment. But as of right now, we're working with daylight and it's getting dark. So we're gonna try to get this done as quick as possible. So it's not gonna be in this video on how to.
Oh, we made a prior video.
We did do a little bit of something.
Either.
I'm just gonna snug it real quick and test it.
Did it go back on there?
It's on there, but I'm just. Oh yeah. Just stuff caught in the bar a little bit.
Pick it up.
Got it. The one, and I don't know. You put your mind to it. You have a goal set, and just continue to go and without stopping. And you can complete a bunch of stuff.
Thank you for telling yourself that.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
I already know that.
You get one more out of here?
Yeah, I go good when I'm not tired, but working all week, and then
Well, you had your day.
I had a day of somewhat. I'm gonna get one more out of it. Then we're gonna call it quits. Ready? Hold that thing steady. Hold it steady so it don't rock. Ain't bad. Is it?
No. Help me out here. Shake that out.
You're good in there. You're good.
What'd you do? Forget I was back there?
Yeah, I did.
You're like, oh, geez.
Like, alright. Let's put these over there.
Yep. one you want first?
Both of them at the same time.
All right, hang on.
Well, y'all, we got 3 more logs to do. 3 10-footers to do, and we're gonna have a decent amount, probably at least 4 to 5 pieces of lumber out of each one. So that could be, 12, 15.
I got sawdust in my ear, Steven.
12 or 15 more boards, and that's gonna be great.
Well, it is getting dark, and we want to say bye to y'all, but we're gonna finish sawing the last 3 boards, the last 3 logs up during the week this week. But we want to say may God bless you like He's blessed us, and y'all have a wonderful day.
And we thank all the new subscribers that come to the channel, and
Go check out our wish list, check out our soap shop, and just check all the links in the description.
yeah, we appreciate all the help we can get. Anything that's willing, anybody to offer. I know it's the holidays coming up, so if you feel like giving, we'll accept.
Alright guys,
Thank y'all for watching. Tell your friends about us and share our videos. We appreciate it. Thank you.
bye.
Bye.